friendship is the hardest thing in the world to explain. It's not something you learn in school, but if you haven't learned the meaning of friendship, you haven't learned anything in your whole life. Said by Muhammad Ali, famous American boxer, activist and philanthropist. Good morning one and all. We, the students of class 5, are here to conduct today's assembly. Every day should be started praising God for what He has given us. And the best way of praising God is by talking to Him through prayer. So now, let us join our hands and close our eyes and say the prayer.
Who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from all evil. Amen.
Now I request our respected Principal Ma'am to speak a few words of wisdom.
Good morning, students. Good morning, ma'am. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Are you happy today? Yes, ma'am. Is it a special assembly on Friday? Yes, ma'am. That's right. So it's a special assembly. What is the special assembly about? Yes? What is this special assembly about?
About Friendship Day.
It's our Friendship Day. Is it an ordinary Friendship Day? What is this Friendship Day?
What's a friendship?
E-Twinning Project on Universal Friendship Day. E-Twinning Project. Now we have this E-Twinning Project with which country? With Italy. Which school? Which school? Yes?
Istituto Leone 13.
Very good. Can you say that loudly?
Istituto Leone 13.
Istituto Leone 13. Where is it situated? Italy. It is in Milan, Italy. Now, friendship, is it very important for us? Should we have friends? Yes, we must have friends. Now, this friendship develops our social skills. A friend is there with us always. When we are happy, when we are sad, we have our friends to share with all our joys and sorrows. Now here we have a beautiful write-up or a saying which reads, good friends are hard to find, harder to leave and impossible to forget. Now friends, when we study in primary school, we have a friend. Secondary school, we have a friend. It may not be a friend. There may be many friends, and we friends get together whenever there is some function to share our joy, or when we are sad also, we get together and we share our joys and sorrows. Second one says, a real friend is one who walks in when rest of the world walks out. A real friend is one who walks in when rest of the world walks out. One more saying I remember. Everybody will be your friend when you are with spend. Everybody will be your friend when you are with spend. Are those real friends? When you have money, when you have name and fame, they will be your friends. But when you are sad, should they be your friends too? Yes, so that is real friendship. So we have to be very careful in selecting our friends. Now here we have been in friendship with Lione 13 School, Milan in Italy. You know students, last year I went to Switzerland and I visited this school in Italy. And they were very happy. And so that friendship we are continuing, and may this friendship continue forever and ever. Now you children, those who are here from classes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of you must continue this friendship along with your teachers, having these projects exchanged every year. Do you agree with me? Do you want this friendship to be continued? Good. So shall we say Happy Friendship Day, Lione 13 School? Please repeat. Happy Friendship. Good. Here we have rightly called it E-Twinning Project on Universal Friendship. E-Twinning. Twinning. Twin means what? What does it mean, twin? Twin means two. So which are the two? Which are the two countries here? India and Italy. India and Italy. So with this children, I'm going to close here. I'm going to wind up and once again wish you a happy Friendship Day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. A good thought can inspire us to do new things. So now, I call upon my friend Pranav to say today's thought.
Good morning. Today's thought. A friend is someone who knows everything about your life and still loves you. I repeat the thought. A friend is someone who knows everything about your life and still loves you. Thank you.
Have you read today's newspaper? If you haven't, here is Durwang to say today's news headlines.
Today's news headline. International news. Danish bank premises raided in Germany amid money laundering probe load. National news. Chief Justice of India is an institution and cannot be destructed, says Supreme Court. State news. Karnataka Innovation Authority to empower startups. Local news. Academy moves stipend for Yakshagana students at 3 schools. Sports news. Gongola Pilat on target. Argentina down Spain on thriller. Today's weather in Mangalore is 26 Celsius. Thank you.
Thank you, Durwang. So now I call upon Anaira to give the significance of Universal Friendship Day.
Good morning. It has been said, friends are the family we choose for ourselves. Friendship is a wonderful feeling and gives us a reason to smile. The language of friendship knows no boundaries. People from different cultures, traditions, countries, etc. may become friends. Children's social skills develop only when they have a lot of friends. There are different days in each country to celebrate Friendship Day. In India, Friendship Day is celebrated on the first Sunday in August. Friendship Day is the day to honor your friendship and make your friends feel special. A day when we take out time, especially for our friends, by sending messages or calling them to wish them a happy Friendship Day. Friendship needs care and love to nurture and last long. Strong friendship is based on a foundation of trust, understanding, and genuine care for each other. Long live friendship. Thank you.
Thank you, Anaira. We are the school partners with Instituto Leone 13, Milan, Italy. And since 2014, we have worked collaboratively on e-twinning projects. This year, Class 5 students are working on the topic Universal Friendship. In connection with this project, we are going to present a skit and a song. Words make you think, music makes you feel, a song makes you feel a thought. So now I call upon my friends to sing a melodious Hindi song. Now, some of my friends are here to present a skit on friendship.
Rose was an old lady. She lived on her own. She used to sit outside a cottage and watch the people of the village walk by. She knew them and they knew her. She used to hope they would stop and speak to her, but they never did. There was only one person who used to speak to her. Her name was Anna. Anna had a family to look after and was very busy. But she still used to stop every day to have a chat with Rose, and sometimes she used to give her little presents.
Good morning, Rose. How are you today? Hello, Anna. I didn't sleep very well last night, but I'm feeling much better now. I did some baking last night and I've bought you a cake. Here it is. Oh, thank you. I'll have it with my tea today evening. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Next day, Rose saw the postman.
I don't suppose you have any letters for me.
As a matter of fact,
Excitedly, Rose opened the letter. She didn't get many letters. She read the letter out loud. It was from the local bank manager.
Dear Rose, sadly, your great aunt has died. She has left you some money in her will. If you call at the bank, you can collect it.
Rose set off for the bank straight away. She saw the bank manager.
Good morning. I expect you have called for your money. Would you like to have some now and some later?
No, I would like it all now, please. Put it in this box and I'll count it later.
Good.
Rose arrived home safely with her money. Unfortunately, the postman and the bank manager told a couple of the villagers about Rose's good fortune. By the next morning,
Good morning, Rose, my old friend. I'm so pleased to hear of your good fortune. I wonder if you could lend me some money. I'll pay you back at the end of the week.
Of course, I'm pleased to help you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hello Rose, how are you? I wish you could lend me some money. I want to buy some clothes for my children. They'll never stop growing, do they?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you.
It's nice to see you, Rose. Could you please lend me some money? My roof needs repairing. It's leaking quite badly.
Of course.
Thank you.
hello, dear friend. Can I borrow some money to buy some new curtains? My old ones are falling apart.
Of course.
Thank you, Rose. You're very generous. Greetings, friend. Could I borrow some money to buy my son a birthday present? He wants something really expensive.
Of course. Here you are.
Hello, Rose. Could you lend me some money so that I can take my family for a holiday? We need a break.
Of course. Have a nice time. Goodbye.
Good morning, Rose. Can I borrow some money to buy some gardening tools? My garden looks like a jungle at the moment.
Of course. Here you are.
Hello, Rose. Can you lend me some money to buy some animals for my farm? A few sheep would be nice.
Rose looked in her box and got a shock. She had been so generous, there was no money left.
Oh dear, I'm sorry. My friends have borrowed it all.
Just as the last villager went away, disappointed, Anna came along. She stopped to have a usual chat with Rose. But Rose said grumpily,
I'm sorry, Anna. I'm too tired to talk to you. My friends have been visiting me.
Anna went away feeling a bit upset. Her friend Rose had never spoken to her like that before. By the next morning, all the villagers knew that Rose had run out of money. Rose sat outside the cottage as usual. She was looking forward to speaking with her friends. Again, but this time the villagers all walked by without speaking, just like they used to do. Rose quickly understood. The villagers had been interested in her money, not in her. Rose was sad. Then came along Anna.
Good morning, Rose. How are you today? I'm sorry, Anna. I was very rude to you yesterday. I know now you are my real friend. You speak to me whether I have money or not.
That's all right. I forgive you.
Rose never managed to get back all the money she had given away, but she was able to recover some of it. With that money, she was able to make life a little more comfortable for both herself and her loyal friend Anna. Rose had learned some difficult lessons about friendship. You cannot buy friends with money or sweets, and not everyone you know is your friend. Rose learned that she knew lots of people, but she had only one really good friend. And when you find out who your friends are, you should look after them. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. Now is the time to honor our motherland, India, by reciting the pledge with commitment and sincerity.
India is my motherland, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love India and we have a tradition and great heritage. I should always try to be worthy of her. I should always respect my parents, teachers, and elders, and be courteous to all. I promise to be loyal to my country and countrymen. India's prosperity lies in our happiness.
The time has come to end the assembly with singing the school anthem. I request the choir group to lead on.